Hello guys, this is MS Faisal, a full stack web developer. In this tutorial, we'll going to learn about HTML images. HTML images. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. HTML image syntax. The HTML img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The img tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The img tag has two required attributes. Number one, src specifies the path to the images. ALT specifies an alternate text for the images. The src attribute. The required src attribute specifies the path URL to the images. Note: when a web page loads, it is the browser at the moment that gets the image from a web server and inserts it into the page. Therefore, make sure that the image actually stays in the same spot in relation to the web page. Otherwise, your website or visitors will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon and the ALT text are shown in the browsers cannot find the images. The ALT attribute. The required ALT attribute provides an alternate text for an image. If the user for some reason cannot view it because slow connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader, the value of the ALT attribute should describe the image. If a browser cannot find an image, it will display the value of the ALT attribute. Let's take an example. src alter text like blog image, Ctrl S and open it with live server. There has a mistake. Image size, width and height. You can use style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. You can see this is a large image. I'm going to add some style like width 300 and height 200. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Sorry, 300 pixel, 200 pixel, and let's check it out. Alternative, you can use width and height attribute without a style, like width 400 pixel and height 300 pixel. Controllers, and let's check it out. I hope you understand. The width and height attributes always define the width and height of the image in pixels. You can write width without px, height also without pixel. But in a style, you need to add pixel with width and height. Now I am going to add an example with image as a link. I am going to add my website. Between a starting tag and ending tag, I am going to add img. Alter text like blog. Ctrl S, and let's check it out. You can see this image is look like a link. You can click on this link